Alright, beautiful people, welcome back to the branded new module. I know that you are super bored from those manual techniques that we have learned, like exploiting and discovering different web security vulnerabilities. But I'll be very honest with you, they are very important, not only but very, very important. That's why you should have the knowledge how to exploit vulnerabilities manually, how to discover vulnerabilities manually. But here we are going to automate the process of reconnaissance and finding vulnerabilities, exploiting them with the help of automation. As you are living in 2024, or you might be possible that you are watching this course in 2025, I am going to give you something that will be worthy throughout of the course. Okay, so we are going to automate so many things. Your recon methodologies will be cleared in this module, as well as the way of hunting bugs in web application, or you can even though apply these techniques in web security, in bug bounty platforms, in bug bounty programs, in order to find different vulnerabilities. No, if I started doing these steps, you will be get confused. That's why we need to go step by step. Okay, so basically you should have some basic knowledge about reconnaissance. Today we are dividing into the exciting world of reconnaissance and automation. We will be learning to find subdomains and using cool tools to make our lives easier in the ethical hacking and security testing. Okay, security field, testing field. This guide will make you through the steps of exploiting, collecting data, checking for the vulnerabilities. By the end, you will be better at spotting security, spotting the vulnerabilities and securing the weak spots. So basically, what we will do at first steps, we are going to do install some tools. So here is a list of tool, and remember, if we need other tools we will add them with the time. Right now the first thing that you will need to do is to install Go language in your Linux machine. Go language is important because most of the tools is developed in Go language. That's why you should have Go language installed in your Linux machine. If there is no Go language, then it means you will not be able to execute Go language based tools. It is similarly like you have Python tools, and if you do not have Python language in your operating system, then how you gonna run them, execute them? That's why it is guys, before installing Go language, let me remind you, remember you must have to update and upgrade your Kali Linux machine, otherwise the Go language is not going to install in your system. That's why you will just need to switch to sudo user. I am already a sudo user, and then you just need to type apt update and end apt upgrade. Okay, that's all you need to type. It will definitely take some time depending on internet connection that you have. And once it have done, then the next thing is, there is also a possibility that you face an error. Error in the sense, for example, if there is any kind of package is broken, no, you can actually fix it. Now to fix it, here I have a command. So basically you can fix that with the help of sudo apt space hyphen hyphen fix broken install. In case if you face any error, so you just need to type this command, otherwise there is no need at all. Okay, I'm just referring, in case there should be a possibility. So it is asking for there is some additional space is required. I'll just reply with Y and press enter, and it will be done. Remember, once the update and upgrade package is once the update and upgrade is done, you can literally, after that, remember, after that you can just type apt uh what was the command? Okay, okay, that was basically apt fix broken install. So let me, okay, apt hyphen hyphen fix hyphen broken install. That's all you need to type. Okay, remember, that's all you need to type, and then just press enter. Okay, so just remove this go language. You can type it after the update and once the update and upgrade is done. Once this process is done, then you can type it, just in case if there is any broken packages or if there is some sort of error, everything will be done. Once it have done, then you can just go with the rest of the steps. So once it have done, we will proceed it with the next step, that is going to be, we will basically install our go language. So I'll pause the video once it have done, and then we will start installing the go language. There will be a practical commands to install the go that I have mentioned here. apt install go lang -go, and the go language will be installed. After that, you just need to wait. Okay, you can just reply with y. Guys, you just need to wait. Within few seconds or minutes, depending on your internet connection, the go language will be installed in your system. Alright, we have done with the installation. This is your command, apt install go. So this is your ultimate command. After hitting this command, if it directly work for you, just reply with y, and the go language will be installed for you within few seconds, within few minutes, depending on your internet connection. If it didn't work for you, if it gives you some sort of errors, then remember, you can always go with the refer to the techniques that I have showed you here, how you can deal with the errors. Still, if you are getting problem, ping me. Okay, so let's check go version, and you can see that go language has been installed successfully. So this is how you can actually install go language, and after this we are going to install the rest of the tools. So we will go one by one, step by step. Okay, guys, you can enroll for my cybersecurity premium bootcamp, master the art of cybersecurity in one course. It have everything that you need, each and everything. So it is officially available at masoodsec.com. You can just simply visit the masoodsec.com, and then you can just simply come to the course area, and in the course area you will find my course. So you can just simply look for it. Okay, so if you want it, let me know, just contact with me. I'm going to enroll you for this course. So yeah, it have everything. So you can just click on WhatsApp, you will be directly redirected to my WhatsApp number, or even though you can contact me on LinkedIn or Facebook if you want it.